You can tell when something's AI written because it feels fake. Here's exactly how to fix that forever. Go to ChatGPT settings, personalization, custom instructions. Add this one prompt: write like a real human, professional but natural, like explaining to a smart friend over coffee. But here's what's critical: people smell AI instantly. Words like seamless, delve, game-changing, and M-dashes scream robot. They kill authentic connection. I've banned entire lists of AI words from my content. While others sound like corporate press releases, my AI writes like an actual human. This separates authentic content from AI slop. Comment list, and I'll send you my complete banned words list.